Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a Honeywell thermostat with buttons that are not working. I'll be going over some easy fixes to try first in this very simplistic tutorial. Let's get into this. If your Honeywell thermostat has buttons that are not working, this is a video for you. I'll be going over 4 quick fixes to hopefully help you out. I'm going to try and keep this video extremely short and sweet, so let's get into this. Fix number 1 is to remove the thermostat and put it back on. Now obviously only do this if you feel comfortable with it, but you want to go look up the manual for your Honeywell thermostat and see how to remove it. Now most of the time on many thermostats you can simply pull them off, right? But you got to be careful because there's wiring back there. So you want to make sure you're taking the right precautions and the right steps before you do it, and make sure you know what you're doing. But step number 1, once again, fix number 1 or solution number 1 is to remove the thermostat and put it back on. Try that out. That just might fix the problem, okay? Fix number 2, if one doesn't help you out, move on to fix number 2. Number 2 is to change the batteries. So you want to change the batteries in the thermostat because when the batteries get low, it can cause it to be a little bit glitchy, similar to how a TV remote, sort of slows down and slowly stops working when the batteries are low. Your thermostat's going to be very similar. So if your thermostat has batteries, which it likely does, change the batteries in the thermostat. It might just help you out, okay? If number 2 doesn't work for you, it doesn't help you out, move on to fix number 3, which is to hold down the buttons for a few seconds. So literally you want to go to the buttons and hold down some of the buttons for a few seconds because maybe one of the buttons is like stuck in the engaged position. So you want to hold down the buttons for a few seconds and hopefully that will disengage the other button that is potentially stuck, okay? And last but not least, fix number 4 is to press the buttons slightly harder than usual. So go to the buttons and press them, like don't mash them in, but press them just slightly harder than usual. And that will maybe, like I said, if one of them is engaged, if it's stuck in the on position or in the engaged position, hopefully that'll loosen it up and free it up. And that's basically it. Hopefully you can fix your thermostat's buttons using these easy steps and fixes and solutions. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.